Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma design in HTML and CSS. First, open your Figma design file. Identify all necessary assets such as images, icons, and illustrations. Select each asset, right-click, and choose Export. Ensure you select appropriate formats like PNG for images or SVG for icons. Exporting these elements correctly is the crucial first step in translating your visual design into a functional web page. Next, let's extract the styling information. In Figma, select any design element like a text box or a button. On the right sidebar, navigate to the Inspect tab. Here, you will find all the corresponding CSS properties, including font sizes, colors, padding, and margins. You can easily copy these values directly. This feature saves a significant amount of time and ensures pixel-perfect accuracy when writing your CSS. Now, it's time to build. Start by creating your HTML structure, using semantic tags like header, main, and footer to mirror your Figma layout. Then, apply the CSS properties you extracted. For example, if a button in Figma has a background color of #007BFF and a padding of 16 pixels, apply those exact values in your CSS. Remember to use relative units like percentages or rem for better responsiveness across various screen sizes. To optimize your workflow, maintain a well-organized Figma file with clear layer names and components. In your CSS, consider using custom properties, also known as CSS variables, for frequently used values like primary colors or font stacks. This approach ensures consistency and makes future updates much easier. Finally, always test your developed web page on at least 3 different browsers and a few device sizes to ensure a consistent user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.